Ever wondered where your hard-earned money really goes when you invest with a robo-advisor? Especially with platforms like StashAway, which promise effortless, diversified portfolios. You're not alone. In a world riddled with cyber threats and financial uncertainties, the question of security isn't just a passing thought, it's a necessity. Let's face it, handing over your financial future to an algorithm can feel a little, well, daunting. But here's the thing, StashAway, like other reputable robo-advisors, operates within a regulated framework. So, how secure is it, really? Let's dive into the nuts and bolts. First, let's talk about regulation. StashAway is regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, a globally recognized financial authority. This means they adhere to stringent capital requirements and operational guidelines, which are designed to protect investors. Think of it as having a financial watchdog keeping an eye on things. This oversight ensures they maintain a certain level of transparency and accountability, crucial for your peace of mind. Now, let's look at the tech side. StashAway employs robust security measures, including encryption and multi-factor authentication, to safeguard your data. This isn't just buzzwords, it's about protecting your personal and financial information from unauthorized access. They also partner with reputable custodians, like Saxo Markets, to hold your assets. This separation of assets from StashAway's operational funds is a key security feature. It means that even if StashAway were to face financial difficulties, your investments remain protected. Diversification is another layer of security, albeit in a different way. StashAway utilizes a sophisticated economic regime-based asset allocation strategy, ERAA. This method aims to build diversified portfolios across various asset classes and geographies. By spreading your investments, they reduce the risk associated with putting all your eggs in one basket. This isn't about guaranteeing returns, but about managing risk effectively. Furthermore, it's important to understand the concept of SIPC equivalent protection. While SIPC is a US-based protection, similar protections exist in other regions. In Singapore, the regulatory framework and the segregation of client assets provide a level of security. It's crucial to look into the specific protections afforded by the regulatory body in your region. However, like any investment platform, StashAway isn't immune to all risks. Market fluctuations, for example, are inherent in investing. While their ERAA strategy aims to mitigate these risks, it can't eliminate them entirely. And while they have robust security measures in place, no system is completely impenetrable to cyber attacks. That's why it's essential to practice good online hygiene, like using strong passwords and being wary of phishing attempts. Ultimately, the security of your investments relies on a combination of regulatory oversight, technological safeguards, and prudent investment strategies. StashAway's regulated status, asset segregation, and diversification efforts provide a strong foundation for security. But it's also important to remember that you, as an investor, play a role in maintaining that security. Do your own research, understand the risks, and stay informed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.